Success is not just what you accomplish in your life. It is about what you inspire others to do.
E anche lì, oltre al discorso del denaro, è stato molto bello vedere la comunione della cosa, tutto l'insieme delle persone che partecipavano, la piacevolezza della cosa, la gioia delle persone nello stare lì, oltre che per il cibo, anche per la compagnia. Questo mi ha colpito molto.
I have trust. I trust everybody that is participating in the program with us. I have trust for everybody, and I have trust also for you.
You really need a lot of determination. You really want it to, you must want it to work. And you must have a group of people who share with you the same enthusiasm.
A negative influence in a group would be, for example, regarding the attendance of the participants. If participants don't attend often to the group, the trust in the group, the confidence doesn't work well.
Something that may negatively influence the functioning of a saving group is a mix of different expectations of group members. There may be some underlying expectations on how this is to be managed. Even if kind of the overall objectives of a group might be the same, it's very important that how the group organizes itself kind of in their routine is aligned among the members.
O grupo deve evitar, uma das coisas é faltar. Sim, pode faltar por doença, sim, isso pode acontecer, mas justificar.
Non devi fare ritardo per restituire il prestito, perché quello fa dei problemi.
I think when what could go very wrong, that when the trust is not exist first, and second also when the organizing the meetings, it's only done by one person and not by the whole group. I would really highly recommend that the goal of these saving groups should be like supporting each other, okay, like to empower each other, not only with the money, but also when we gather, we have to like talk and like a group which is meet regularly. I would recommend that.
Yeah, for other savings group, what I could recommend to them is one, is go to have a rules within the saving group, whereby they can come together with the same idea. They may not have the same idea, but listening to one another, and also working with time, and it also should be part of the rules.
The success factor to create more savings groups for us is our relation with partner organizations that reach our target group, because we don't want to do it ourselves. We think that we can be more effective if we cooperate with organizations working with this target group.
Are various. For example, we basically work with migrants and vulnerable people. So these migrants often don't have access to opening bank accounts. Therefore, they don't have access to loans in financial institutions as banks. Participating in a group opens this window and this possibility of having a place to save and having somewhere to where to gather to get a loan.
A success factor for saving groups in our region is the fact that there's a great diversity of people that we interact with, and among those people there are people who are really interested in getting better in managing their money. And this really drives the interest in saving groups and at the end of the day can bring scale.
Other factors that affect are that many people still have debts from the 2008 crisis. They haven't recovered yet from that. So participating in a group gives them the opportunity to save money, to repay some other loans and debts that they have in financial institutions, or keep their businesses alive.